Have you ever sneezed so hard you felt like you just rebooted your whole body? Well, here's why that happens. Sneezing is basically your nose going, "Hey, we've got intruders." Dust, pollen, or even a tickle sends a signal to your brain, which replies, "All right, let's launch the snot missiles." Your body then builds up air pressure, and boom, your nose explodes like it's trying to evict every unwanted guest. Fun fact, sneezes can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most speed limits. So next time you sneeze, just know your nose is basically doing ninja moves to keep you healthy, loudly and dramatically.